Don't let Old Man Winter decorate your backflow for Christmas. Buy an insulated backflow bag to protect your backflow from freezing temperatures. I'm Dwayne Smith, Sprinkler Warehouse Product Specialist. Let's talk about insulation pouches. So, allowing your backflow to freeze is bad. If this happens, you'll be buying a backflow repair kit, possibly a new backflow, installing it in really cold weather when you'd rather be sitting by the fire, or paying an irrigation professional to fix it. And you'll get to pay for all that water spewed out so gloriously like the Bellagio fountains in Vegas without the choreographed music. Introducing the Insulated Backflow Bag. We highly recommend this pouch for its outstanding features. We've shown you in a previous video how to insulate your backflow, and that still applies when using a pouch. I highly recommend you check out Winterizing Your PVB to learn more. The Insulated Backflow Bag comes in various sizes: 16 by 21 inches, 24 by 16, 24 by 24, and 34 by 24. The first number is the length, and the second number is the height. It opens along the length, not the height. The length measurement is the measurement of the pouch, not the measurement of the backflow and the piping. So you'll need to add a few extra inches to the length to make sure it'll fit. So let's measure this backflow. I'm going to start here, halfway around this elbow, and go all the way out to the test cot. This is roughly 18 inches, and keep in mind it's got to go over this bell as well. So I'm going to add a couple of inches to that, and then I know that a 24-inch bag will definitely fit. For the height, it's of primary importance that we cover all of the PVB. The insulation I've already installed on the PVC pipe will protect the pipe. So I could go with a 16-inch tall bag, but it doesn't hurt to go with a 24-inch bag, and it may provide a little bit more protection. To install it, open it up. Slide it over the backflow, close up the Velcro, an insulated pouch is not an alternative to properly winterizing your system. You still need to do that. In this grommet here, you can put a zip tie to close it up. Or you could put a lock through the grommet to give it a little added weight and to keep it in place, and to prevent someone from stealing your bag. Insulation pouch is an outstanding way to go. The added protection they provide makes them well worth the price. Let's head inside and talk about the features of the Insulated Backflow Bag. I've got a competitor bag here as well to compare the features. The Insulated Backflow Bag arrives in this vacuum sealed pouch. Why? Because that saves on our bulk shipping and storage costs, which means we can pass those savings on to you, offering a superior product at a lower cost. The material on this insulated backflow bag is a thick fiber reinforced material that is tear and crack resistant, and it's waterproof. This material also has a 3-year UV rated protection, and it's mold and mildew resistant. Compare this with the competitor's plastic outer shell that is not fiber reinforced. While it is a thick material, it's not nearly as thick as the insulated backflow bag. The seams on this one are stitched. In fact, they are double stitched. These are not. These appear to be plastic heat sealed. Both the seams and material will last longer on the insulated backflow bag. And that's incredibly important. If the seam splits or the material cracks, then water can get in and freeze. And instead of insulating your backflow, you're surrounding your backflow with a block of ice. The insulation on this one is thicker. Grommet on this is brass, it's rust resistant, and it will last a very long time. And one of the most important features is the heavy duty Velcro. It will help to keep out cold airflow and prolong the antifreeze time. The competitor bag does not have any Velcro. Every way you look at it, this is an outstanding bag. Order one today on sprinklerwarehouse.com and give your backflow device some added protection.
Remember, Sprinkler Warehouse has everything for your irrigation needs, so your trees, lawn, flower beds, and gardens are lush and beautiful. And if you have any questions about our products, chat with one of our amazing customer service agents on sprinklerwarehouse.com. They really know their stuff, and they will get you squared away. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful tips, tutorials, and general sprinkler instruction. I'm Dwayne Smith for Sprinkler Warehouse. Professional quality, rock bottom prices.